Teslas are pretty cool cars, but did you know they can save your marriage? Here, I'll show ya. Here he comes.
Daddy's gotta go to the store. Already? No way.
Oh boy, you better fix this.
Hey honey,
Hi.
I have a surprise for us later tonight. Don't make any
Oh
plans.
yeah? I can't wait.
Don't take forever. He does this every time. I like it at 71 degrees, not 70. Okay, now I'm bored.
Horrible mood. Maybe it's the heat. I don't know. Wow. I can't believe it. 2018 is still people leave dogs in their cars. This pisses me off. Wait a second.
What is this guy all fired up about?
I know, it's unbelievable. I'll call you back. I got you, little dog. I got you. Save you now, okay?
Dude, chill out. I'm chill literally. The AC is on and everything.
Right there, okay? Careful.
Oh shit.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
I know, I told you. Well, that was wild. Don't look at me.
You little sneaky thing.
Next time, 71. Are the heated seats really necessary here?
Happy anniversary, babe.
Oh, I thought you forgot.
Never.
This is really great, but my buns are getting toasted.
Get a room. Now we're celebrating. I'll be right back, I promise. How's this ludicrous mode work? Holy crap, that's fast. Tesla. The car that drives itself, parks itself, and speaks for itself. Is now even better. It's saving marriages one couple at a time.
Portia!
Don't look at me.